you, and we are playing Angry Birds 2. So I am so lucky that I have two red bird skins in that exotic, like this and this. So today, because I got it from you, so today we're going to adventure. Let's get started. This is gonna be hard. But first I will do bomb. Because Bomb and Chuck are OP. Now it's time for this. We use them for bosses or destruction, or yes, for fun. This is for fun. Sorry guys, this wasn't I was good. So first I will finish this video first. So kahit ito house. Boom! Okay, we're done.